How to use Tome. First, click on Generate with AI in the top right-hand corner of your workspace. You can also use a template or doc to get started. Write your prompt and click Generate Outline to submit your prompt to Tome's AI. Clicking Generate Outline and submitting your prompt will take you to an outline of topics that Tome's AI created based on your prompt. You can edit, remove, reorder, and add new topics. Once done, click Generate Presentation. Edit manually. Select from tile types on the right to add your preferred content type. Change the theme of your Tome presentation using the Paint Palette button. Highlight text and use AI Edit to rewrite copy, adjust its tone, reduce or extend its length, and fix spelling and grammar. Downloading your Tome. Tome Pro customers can download their tomes as PDF. To export your Tome, click the 3 horizontal dots button in the top right and select the Export to PDF option. Tome does not currently support exporting to other formats, such as PPT, but you can edit, present, and share from Tome.